Now I'm going to explain about IP addressing and subnetting. IP address means an IP address. Experiment number to call IP address and subnetting. An IP address is 32-bit logical address used to identify device in a network. Network address means it represents the starting address of a subnet where all host bits are set to 0. Private address. Private IP addresses are reserved for internal networks, can be cannot be routed on the internet. Example 10.0.0.0 slash 8, 172.16.0.0 slash 12, 192.168.0.0 slash 16. These are the private IP addresses. Now, the classes of addresses called, they have 5 classes: A, B, C, D, E. Class A defines 0 to 172 and Class B defines 128 to 191. Class C defines 192.223. Class D defines 2242 to 239. Class E defines 240 to 255. Class D defines the multicast, and Class E defines the research. Now, subnetting is the process of dividing large network into multiple smaller networks by borrowing host, bit, and subnetworks. Now, question one: binary to decimal and decimal to binary. It converts the following binary and IP address into decimal format. Here, 1.1.1.0.0.10.10. We can define this as 192.168.1, 1. Convert this like we need to take like calculating the bits, 1 bit, 4 bits, 8, and so on. Now convert this decimal IP, 172.16.254.1 is the answer as 101.001 point triple double one double one double one 0.00000001. Now identify the classes. Now identify the classes by using IP address. This IP address belongs to class A because it is 10.0 to 53.23.1. It is a private and it is a unicast. If it is 100, it shows the private. If the IP address is 2244.0.0.1, it defines the class D and public multi-range. Now, determine the broadcast networks addresses. Now, giving the IP address and subnet marks, identifying the network address, what is network address, what is board address, and what is validated address, and what is subnet. Here, the IP address is 192.168.164 and broadcast is 192.168.1.127. And so, host of subnet is 62. Now, subnetting based on borrowed bits. Borrowed bits here, two borrowed. It shows the 4 new subnet is 192.26. Yes, subnetting the meet host represents. Identify the cast type of castings. Identify the type of casting. 192.168.10.1.15. It defines the unique cast. 255.255.255.255. It holds broadcast limited. 172.16.4.255 direct broadcast. 244.0.0.9 multicast. 244.0.0 multicast global. Identify the type of casting. Default mask defines 255.255.255.0/24. A number of bits borrowed, 3 bits are borrowed. Next, custom subnet mark 255.255.255.244 by 27. Number of subnets 8. Total number of addresses is 30. Thank you.